Hey, what's up everybody? So today I'm going to talk about how I've been keeping myself motivated when listing on eBay. So I have a ton of stuff I need to get listed on eBay, and I've done some listing recently, and kind of my idea this year, as it's the beginning of March now, is to keep track of how many listings I've done every day. So I actually know how productive I've been throughout the year. So what I have going on right now is I created a spreadsheet, and under that spreadsheet I have how many listings. I'll have the date on the left side. The next column is how many listings I've done on that date, and then the next column over is going to be the dollar amount that I listed for those listings. So I believe yesterday I was kind of lazy, so I think I listed 4 items for $30 or something. So as far as yesterday, it'll say March 3rd on the far left hand corner, and then the next one over it's going to say 4 as the number of listings, and then $30 as far as the value that I listed. It's going to help me keep track of all the listings I've done, how much time I put in to my eBay business, and yeah, I think it's going to help keep me motivated throughout the year. So yesterday was the 3rd. The day before that, I think I listed 8 items for $300 probably. So those are some high value items in there, and so my goal for the next time is going to try to beat that number. So that's really how I'm keeping motivated right now. Let me know in the comments how you are keeping yourself motivated, and also when I'm adding all this up, I'm going to do how much I did in that month as far as listings and dollar value, and then how much I did in that quarter, and then I'm going to add it all up at the end of the year. But right now it's still Q1, so I've got my amounts for January and February, and then right now I'm just doing March right now, since today is the 4th of March. I haven't really gotten that much listed yet for March, but so far January has been my best month for listing. Hopefully I can change that this month. But that's about it. Yeah, just let me know in the comments how you keep yourself motivated, how you keep track of your listings, and I'll see everybody next time.